let's look at the code. We can start by defining our frequency map. And now let's populate the frequencies here. If we have frequency map, or this could be 0 plus 1. This way, if we don't have the value, we can add 1 here. And with this, we are building our this map right here. This. Now we have to create our bucket sort, which is this array here. And we can initialize our buckets with empty lists or empty arrays. Nums.length plus 1, and we will assign this as empty array. So this will initialize our buckets with empty arrays. Now let's push elements to our bucket. So here we are iterating on our this frequency map. Our frequency here would be frequency map at num. Again, if you see here, these are values or nums, and these are their frequencies. Buckets at their frequency, we will just push the nums to that. In JavaScript, generally this is a string, so we have to convert it back to number. So that's where number and num. So this for loop, we are populating these value onto our buckets. Now let's iterate from the end of the buckets and push elements to our result variable. So this could be an empty array, and then we will. And here we can add one more case, which is res.length should be smaller than our k, and then I minus minus. And now we can iterate through our list. So if you remember, this is the list, and this can contain many elements if the frequencies are same. We can iterate through that list and check if the length of our result is already k. If that's the case, then we will break the loop. Or we can just push val. And finally, we can return our res. I think this completes our solution. Let me run this. Yep, it works. Let me submit this. Yep, it works. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, you can consider subscribing to this channel. And thank you so much for watching.